We've all been there. A home appliance we depend on stops working. What do? You could call a repair service, but that means wasting time and money. You could try to fix it by yourself, but finding accurate, reliable information on the internet can be a challenge. And what happens when you need more help? Now, there's a better way. Introducing Tin Lizzie, a professionally guided DIY appliance repair service available at the touch of a button 24/7. Simply visit tinlizzie.com to live chat with certified technicians and get the one-on-one help you need repairing your home appliances. Show us the problem. Download the Tin Lizzie app and use Virtually There. With Virtually There, your technician can see exactly what you are looking at and even draw on your screen in real time to show you what to do. Tin Lizzie helps you repair your home appliances on your schedule with our help, saving you time and money. With Tin Lizzie, do it yourself doesn't mean do it alone. Learn more at tinlizzie.com. Tin Lizzie, repair easy.